You're welcome, bud.
Okay, I'm gonna I probably have a big stink catfish on. Oh, hey, come on.
Hold on. Let's see. Is it getting close?
Oh no! Look how big it feels!
Work them arms.
It is.
Oh!
That's what he was calling. So there's some over there, but
Oh,
they're
really?
Too. Yeah.
Sweet.
Oh, this feels like a big catfish. Oh, I told you! I told you! I told you! I told you! It's probably a big. Oh!
Don't let it off.
Right,
Don't let it off.
Oh, there's a bobber. There's a bobber.
Work it, bruh.
Jeez, how big is this thing?
Oh,
No.
I got it.
there you go.
Oh my god, it's huge. I hope this thing doesn't pull me.
Bryson.
Jeez, how
You're about
big
to go in that
is it?
window.
What even is it?
Bryson.
Holy cow. Holy mother of cow. Oh, that's a big catfish. It's a big catfish. Big catfish. If you haven't had it, eat it. Look at it. Oh.
What?
Yeah. Woo! That's a big catfish.
Awesome,
Oh my
man.
God.
Yeah.
That's it. Woo-hoo. That's a big catfish.
Awesome catch, dude.